Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location, 1443 Banks Road. So what do we have today? Well, we have the Undercover Flex we did on a Ford Maverick. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number right there. Feel free to contact us. We have great answers. Also, the product, I'll go ahead and put a link of this product at the bottom of the YouTube video so you can check out pricing and all that stuff. Also, don't forget, while I'm walking over, hit that like button, get out of the way right now. You know you're going to like the video, and subscribe to the channel. This way you can stay up to date with all this great new product. So what do we have here? Well, we have, again, the new Maverick here, which is things selling like hotcakes. And this guest here is like, you know what, I need a hardcover, but I'm on a budget. So this is probably one of the more budget-friendly covers. Now, it's still a high-quality product because it is made by Undercover. As you know, Undercover makes a very good product. Now, a lot of things I like about this, besides the price, is it is a flush mount. It sits in the bed, so if you look here, it's very, very low profile. Now, this one here, it's a little less money, and so they did save on money on a few things. Like, for example, the Undercover Flex has a 3-year warranty on it. Now, instead of the Ultra Flex and the Armor Flex have a 5-year warranty, so it's a little less warranty. Now, the good news is, because we installed it, we're going to take that 3-year and make it 6, so we're going to double this that warranty, so 6 years covers all the parts. Now, we'll put a 1-year labor guarantee, which covers the labor for an entire year. After that, only the parts are covered. So that being said, let's go ahead and show you how everything works on here. Okay, so this does have a left and right release mechanism. And that's real important if you're pulling off to the side of the road and you got traffic on one side. You might want to get on the other side where it's a little safer. Now, all the great features that its big brothers have, the Ultra Flex, Armor Flex, this one has. This is going to have the dual seal here. Also, they've changed all the hardware down here as well, and this has been updated as well. And you got the new updated hardware and the new updated rail. So it's going to have all the new stuff the other ones have. Now, this is going to have a little bit of a texture finish. Let me pull this over here so you can see. And it is more of a semi-gloss, where the Ultra Flex is more of a matte finish. But it's a very good look. I do like it. So let's go ahead and keep opening this up here now. What's nice about this, you can drive down the road with it partially open. So you come over here, all you're going to do is lock in place here, and that will keep it from going. Now, you do want to block both sides. Now, for the video, I'm only doing this side. Now, when not in use, you're going to take this, slides right in there, so it's not flapping around here. Now, what's nice about this cover, a lot of tri-fold covers are only 2 folds, and that means they're going to stop right here, and you lose access to the front of the bed here. Now, this is the 3-fold cover, so just like its big brother, this moves all the way up. So now you're taking this out of the way, so you can now access all of the bed here. Now, what I like about this, when it's up, it does act as a headache rack. So if you have something big back here, and if you hit the brakes and it comes flying forward, it will protect the rear window. It will hit this instead of window. So that's a really very nice feature. Also, this does have a drainage system. So if you look here, you see a little spot where if water gets past the seal, instead of going in the bed, it catches it, and you can see with the drainage system. Now, the reason it's down in that spot there is underneath the bed liner is the factory hole. Now, we didn't want to make a new hole. We're using the existing hole that comes with the truck. We try not to put new holes into truck beds if we can avoid it. So we try to use only the factory holes, unless otherwise we have no choice. Now, these are also the new rods. So the old rods were left and right. These go up and down, a little easier to use. They lock into place very nicely. Now, for the video, I'm only doing the one side again, not both. Now, if you're driving down the road, you need to keep both these on there for safety reasons. Now, you put this down here. Now, what's nice about this, very easy to close. You notice I'm not slamming it, just close it normally. So when you get it to the end, you do want to push both sides to make sure both sides are locked. Super easy cover, looks good, works good. Now, a couple of things you need to know, this does do a good job keeping Mother Nature out. Now, is every drop of water being kept out? No, because they're not designed to keep every drop of water, not submarines. But this one is probably one of the most water-resistant covers out there, between the drainage system, the dual seals here, all the seals up here. So they do a very good job of keeping as much water out as possible. And I tell you, when you go hit the link and check out the pricing on this, you realize it's a very reasonably priced. It is American made, and I like that a lot. So, because you know why? We do a good job. So again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Undercover Flex on a Ford Maverick. And again, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.